What's up guys, Matt Steffanina back here with another tutorial for you, and today I'm going to be teaching you my favorite new song, Old Town Road. So guys, this is a collaboration I did with my boy Josh Killacky, and this choreography turned out so fun. This is definitely one that you can do with your friends, with your family. There's a couple tricky parts in there, but for the most part, this is like a really chill routine. It's got like a mixture of a couple country moves, a bunch of hip hop. You know, I'm gonna take you through it step by step. And if you don't have me on Instagram yet, make sure you find me at Matt Steffanina and post your covers once you learn them. We love to watch you guys' videos, and we're even gonna be reposting some of them on the @EpicDanceVideos Instagram, so tag that as well when you put your covers up. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe to the channel because we're dropping new videos all the time. But if you guys are ready to learn this one, to Old Town Road, let's get it on. All right guys, so let's get started. First of all, we're gonna mirror this tutorial so that when I say right and I step on my right, it looks like the right to you guys as well. And the first thing you do on this is very easy. Just a really chill jog. I'm not much for running, so don't make it like just chill. It's like you're running down the Old Town Road, you're setting up the first move, and the first move is full out. So what you wanna do is start on your right foot, then you're gonna go right, left, right, and then you're gonna, as you go on your left, you're gonna like, this is like your big prep. Then you're gonna go horses in the back, mouth. So just the feet one time, I'm going right and right, switch. So again, with the hands, a right, left, 7, 8, push and push here. Then from here, I'm just gonna step out on that right. I'm gonna come to my shoulder, and then I'm gonna turn this across like this. Then you're gonna do a little country move. You're gonna go yee-haw. We used to do this back in my farm days, you know. I'm just pushing out, my hips go back. You go here, and then you pull this in, click. Then you're gonna go to your head, step forward on that right, tap, tap. Then you're gonna do one of my favorite country moves, a little hoedown. You're gonna go yee-haw again, step, tap, tap. What's funny about this is like, if you do it like this, to like country music, it looks crazy. But if you do it on beat to hip hop music, it doesn't really look that dumb. I don't know why, but it just kind of works. So go from the top, put that together up to there. You go 3, 4, this is 5, 6, 7. I got the horses in the back. Hey, tap, 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 a drag. Boom, da, da, yee-haw. And zoom, ga, ga, and down. So here, zoom, ka, ka. I'm just twisting my knees and feet to the front. Ta, ta. Then I'm going around and dropping. You don't have to drop your head all the way down here, just a little level change. So you can go, brrr, and I'm going with my feet, I'm going right, left, like a little ball change. My hands are rolling up, brrr. Then you're gonna do kind of like a hit the quan, if you remember that dance from back in the day. Your knees are gonna go like this. You're gonna go, A, 2 times. Then a little rodeo, rodeo. Then you're gonna go, grab with the right, grab with the left, chest. Then you're gonna catch, boom, boom, 2 bases, right, left, right. So you're gonna bounce off of this base, right and left, and boom, boom, right, left, right. 2 more moves, and then we'll go back a little bit. You're just gonna say, So I'm stepping on my left foot first, hands just kind of crazy. Then I'm gonna go forward on my left. I'm gonna go left and back on my left, throw, drop to come down. So this was wave, wave, forward on your left, left and throw, drop to come down. Nice, so that's the first, actually a little more than half even, so you guys are doing amazing. Let's go from the top slow just up to there so you can put it together, and then you can practice this a few times if you need it. Ready? We go 3, 4, you catch, 5, 6, 7, I got my horses in the back, mouth, ta, ta, ha, grab, and zoom, ta, ta, yee, haw, step, boom, got, and down, bring it up. Chill, chill, bull, ride, right and left, and chest, goom, goom, right, left, right, say, hey, mom, click, ta, ta, drop to come down. Nice. All right, now we just have the chorus. I'm sure you guys know the words. Can't nobody tell me nothing. We're gonna do a little footwork. So from here, your right foot's gonna do all the work. You're gonna go cross in front, out, cross behind, out, tap your heel, out, tap your knee, and tap your toe, and tap your toe. So all that's gonna happen really fast. One more time, 7, 8. It goes front and behind and heel and knee and toe and toe. Then when this foot goes down, it's gonna make you jump. And as soon as you land, you're gonna go like a little shimmy. There's a hi-hat, like a sound in the music. Then you're just gonna cross your hands and kind of freestyle them. He says, boom, they can't tell me nothing. So you're just kind of vibing. Your right foot's gonna go around, 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 around. You're gonna end to the back so that you can go jump out. Your left foot's gonna cross in front of your right. Then you're gonna do a half turn to the front and your hands are gonna come to your chest. There's gonna be another sound. You're gonna go. So my hands are just kind of like wiggling down my body and I do a little bobblehead at the same time, like this. Then we're gonna repeat. Can't nobody tell me, yeah. This time when you hit that last toe, it's gonna go up like this. Up, 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 up. What are you gonna do? Oh, you're gonna catch it into a whoa. So you wanna watch it like you don't know where it's gonna go. And then you catch it. Last moves, you're just gonna go right, left, knee, bring it up. You're gonna go tap, push it around. Now, for the final move, okay, if you didn't stretch, maybe hit a quick 1, 2. Okay, there it is. Tap, tap, you bring this around. Your right leg is gonna tuck behind your left and we're gonna go all the way down to the floor and our left arm's gonna go out like this. Yeah. Now this part is gonna be on riding on my tractor. So it's really important that you do it just like really lazy and smooth. The key to it is you wanna make sure that your left leg is crossed really far over your right leg. And you wanna put this arm here and then your right arm is in the back and that's what's doing all the work. So you wanna lean back so most of your weight's on your hand and your butt and then you're just pulling yourself with that right hand and keeping your core really tight. Squeeze the abs. All right, guys, that's the whole routine. So, killed it. Let's go from the top, nice and slow, and then we're gonna try it all the way up to tempo. Ready? You go 1, 2, 3, 4. You hit 5, 6, 7. I got horses in the back and top, grab and 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Out with the right, 5 and 6 and chest, goom, goom. 1 and 2, hey, hey. 5 and 6, 7, chorus. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and jump. 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, chest, repeat, and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, goom. 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. Now, we're gonna try it a little bit faster. And the thing about this beat in this song is, it's like a fun song. Like it's kind of like just funny, the lyrics are silly and stuff. So we can have a lot of energy and fun with it, but we still have to make sure that the brr and the doom doom and all those parts where we're catching beats and musicality in the song are still clean. So make sure you don't lose those as you start to do it more full out. Ready? From the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Got my horses in the shoe. Got doom ta ha. 7 and 1 and 2, 3, 4. Shoom ta ta. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Doom ta, goom goom. 1 and 2. Say yeah, yeah. 5 and 6, 7. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Chest. 1 and 2 and 3 and knee and D and D. 1 and 1, 2 and 3 and ta and 7. Hey. All right, you guys got the whole routine down. This one's super fun. Teach it to your friends, make some videos, post your covers. We can't wait to see them. Make sure you tag us and subscribe to the channel because we're dropping new tutorials every week. I'll see you guys back in the studio soon.